Every professional wears different hats throughout their journey. Sometimes you're learning, sometimes you're building, sometimes you're teaching, and sometimes you're leading. Most platforms expect you to fit into just one role. RizeOS does the opposite. It adapts to you. With a single account, you can switch between multiple professional roles and unlock experiences designed specifically for your goals. Let's take a look. From your profile, simply open the Role Switcher. Here, you'll find the different roles available within the RizeOS ecosystem. Each role unlocks its own workspace, tools, and features, giving you an experience tailored to what you want to achieve. As you switch roles, your dashboard and navigation automatically update, so you only see what's relevant to you. For professional roles like freelancer and educator, a verification step is required before access is granted. This helps us build a trusted community, ensuring authenticity and maintaining the quality of the platform for everyone. Once verified, you'll unlock role-specific features and experiences designed to help you work, teach, collaborate, and grow. No multiple accounts, no switching between different platforms. Just one account that evolves with your professional journey. Whether you're a student, freelancer, educator, recruiter, or exploring new opportunities, RizeOS grows with you every step of the way. One account, multiple roles, one platform built for your entire professional journey. Welcome to RizeOS.